Startup News. I am your host Aishwarya. Top headlines for today are: Clubhouse to launch Android version in India. Jupiters launches online dispute resolution platform. Lenskart to raise $95 million. Before I proceed with today's news, I request our viewers to take necessary precautions as the battle against COVID-19 is not over yet. Always wear a mask, wash your hands frequently, and do not step out of your house unnecessarily. Please maintain social distancing. Remember, this is the time we fight the virus together. News for today are: Silicon Valley's social audio app Clubhouse will launch its Android version worldwide this week. The invite-only app will be available for Indian users from May 21st and will be available in Brazil, Japan and Russia from May 18th. World's first digital court under private justice system has been developed and launched by Chandigarh-based startup Jupiters Justice Technologies. The platform will conduct virtual conciliation, mediation and ADR mechanisms. Indian optical prescription eyewear retail chain Lenskart will raise $95 million from private equity firm KKR & Co. After this funding round, Lenskart is expected to be valued at $2.5 billion. Fintech startup Bank Sathi Technologies has raised $2 lakh in a seed funding round. The participants in the round were Dinesh Godara, founder of Tread, Rajendra Lora, founder of Fresho Cards, and Anuj Ahuja and Aditya Talwar, founders of Studybase. Delhi-based smart parking management platform ParkSmart has raised funding from Campus Fund. Other participants also included angel investors such as Dilesh Gethani, Shireen Rangaswamy. The amount of funding is undisclosed. Indonesian on-demand multi-service platform and digital payment technology platform Gojek will merge with e-commerce major Tokopedia. The deal has been fixed at around $18 million and is the biggest deal in Indonesia. The merger will lead the combined company called GoTo. Indian merchant platform Pine Labs has raised $285 million in a funding round from public market crossover investors. The participants include Marshall Wace, Baron Capital Group, Duro Capital, Moore Strategic Ventures and Ward Ferry Management. Rishi Vasudev's Goat Brands Ventures is planning to raise $20 million in the first round of funding. The participants include Tiger Global, Mayfield and Flipkart's Venture Fund. Gaming startup Microgravity is planning to raise $10 million in the upcoming 6 months. The startup has launched a women-centric esports league to look for India's gamer goddesses and has also announced special offers for women in their gaming arena. B2B business platform Moglix has raised $120 million in a funding round led by Falcon Edge and Harvard Management Company. The firm now values at $1 billion. That's all for today. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our TV channel. Do check out. My Startup TV is now available on Google Play Store, so you can get all the latest news on startups and MSMEs on the move. You can also support us by subscribing to our TV channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can follow us on Koo, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in. Thanks for watching.